Hey guys, welcome to another video. I might have said the intro twice, but we're playing Banhammer Simulator with my friend. My screen recorder keeps pausing. Okay, but we're playing Banhammer Simulator with my friend Dear Snyder 2. You might not be able, you might not be able to hear her, but say something. Okay, she screamed. But I'm about to hit 1 million bans, as you guys can see. I'm at 999,538. So I have 538, not. Oh, okay, but so yeah, my friend wants me to say it the right way. Nine. She she wants me to say it the right way. 999,538. Okay, let's kill Doge, and I think I'm gonna hit a million. Or soon at least. I hit a million. Yeah, my friend has my friend has that much bans. I have a million. Yes, I know you're better than me, okay? Now don't make me feel don't make me feel like a loser, okay? she she just said, "But you are a loser." Guys, I don't know if you can hear her, so I'm kind of just repeating what she says. Yeah, she just laughed. Wow. What? She said, "Guess what, guys?" She just said that I suck more than she just said that I'm the worst human being on earth and I suck at math and I don't understand. She just said you suck. I'm so much better. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 How much? Oh, me too. I would buy a Lamborghini and make it pink and put eyelashes on it. Still, I would buy one. I'm joking. I would actually probably just I would probably just buy I would buy a I would buy let me think. I would buy uh a four-wheeler and a dirt bike. That's what I would buy. And a new bike cuz my bike sucks. Okay, don't make me feel ashamed that my bike sucks, okay? Yeah, okay. I think she never acts like this in real life. I think she's just act I think she's just I think she's acting like it just cuz she's on video and she's kind of showing off. Right now she's screaming like she, right now she's kind of just screaming like she's acting like she's on cocaine or something. Yeah, she's acting like she's on cocaine, I think. She just said unsubscribe. Don't do that, guys, please. I need them monies and subscribers. I need them views. I need them views. If I was PewDiePie for Halloween, what? What? If I that you would make people what me? Oh, I'll be PewDiePie for Halloween. Well, she just said that if you're PewDiePie, she just said that if I'm PewDiePie for Halloween, she'll make everybody subscribe to me. And I needed to put a subscribe button on my chest. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I might. I'll think about it. Is she not already? I'm joking. Yeah, I don't care. You suck, okay? Okay, bye guys. I'll end the video here. Hope you guys. Did you just say post my arm? Oh, she said post more. Okay. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay. Bye, guys.